that's the thing with the pop-up stuff is I'm not confined to restaurant spaces. You know?
I know, sweetheart. I get it. Well, we're gonna get food soon, honey.
Why are you crying? No. There's no crying. You're fine. You're fine. No goldfish right now. You got your answer.
That's the old Tommy Burger?
No, that's a Tommy Burger. It's a small chain. I think the original one's over like near
USC? Because there's one at USC.
Yeah, the original one I think is over by
I just saw your ice cream truck.
Yeah, you did? Cool.
Now, I think we could talk about that today because somebody had an evacuation in the potty.
Yes, you did.
And might deserve a reward.
Yes, you did. What about Jelina's?
This place is crowded and obnoxious even before COVID. Never been a fan of Jelina. They rip off Nancy so much. I know that makes me mad. Years ago with Alex Wheel, we were just both like, this is a poor copy of Nancy's Pizza. Why'd you say Jelina? It's so random.
Well, I guess I was thinking, there was over on Rose, right there in Venice, I think. There's the bakery.
Okay.
Is that Jelina?
No, Jelina's over on Abercrombie.
Maybe it was owned by the same people. Let's see if I can find it. It's for my own edification here. Gabby's 26 Beach. Charlie, you're gonna have to wait, honey.
Oh, I want to.
Okay, if you ask for goldfish again, then we're definitely not gonna have ice cream later.
Please.
Justa. Not Jelina, Justa.
Yeah, that's their bread company.
Yeah. That's what I thought they were.
That's what you're trying to think about. Remember the name of it? Just that bakery.
Hi, Daddy.
But Charlie, I think we might be able to talk about some ice cream after lunch. But there's going to be some conditions set, and we'll talk about it.
I get it, Charles. I know, but she's a baby.
What's the matter?
He keeps seeing me give her fish, and he wants more. So backup could be 26 Beach.
Are they doing dine-in now?
No, we'd have to make it up. Go sit and picnic somewhere over by the beach or something.
Outside their burgers, they don't really have any good food, and I'm not in the mood for burgers, so I'm probably not going to
Cool, man. And
second that motion.
That's fine. I am not super pumped about it.
This I don't understand is wearing your mask in your car.
I know. But she's Asian, so.
No, yeah, I get the stereotype, but I see whiteys do it all the time too.
Oh, I know, I do too. In fact, there's a white guy right there doing the same thing.
You can call them a whitey. Whiteys are, that's a perfectly appropriate term.
I thought I'm not allowed to. Because I'm white myself, so I'm not allowed to.
Call people whitey.
Gabby's just doing drive-through.
Okay, Gabby's is a good option.
Okay. I'm doing Euro.
Yeah. 26 Beach has tables out.
Okay.
And a scooter gang.
Well, I can't.
Can't scooter gang?
No.
Somebody you talk about? Ooh, there's that little French market around here, right?
Yes.
They got sandwiches.
Do they?
They're still around, yeah.
Okay, that's on the corner of Abbott Kenny.
Yeah. The guy was just passed it back there.
Oh, okay. I can do that.
Well, let's still make it past the killer shrimp. Because of their seating.
It'd be beautiful right by the water.
Yeah, it'd be a nice. Perfect day for I'm doing my own. That's mine. I'm doing my version. No, again. A little bit of suffering is good for the soul. In there.
Yeah, should be able to. Yeah, you get through. Mba. Mba.
Yeah. Yeah, parents that try to shield their kids from all suffering drive me nuts too. Like, you know what? Shield your kids from suffering. Seek to manage all of their suffering.
Can you go straight?
I think you can. But sometimes they have that chain up. Oh, wow. Oh, looks
closed.
dead. Oh, wow.
Okay. So French Market? Yeah, there ain't nobody. There's nothing out there.
I'm going straight. Oh, wow. Those are cute.
What?
Them houses.
Oh, them houses?
Them townhouses with the little flat roofing tops.
Roofing tops.
I'm going mine. Is that
Goater.
the Gallowards?
No.
Goater.